Genetic disorders of humans and other animals by Genesis Neal. The basics of genetic disorders. Genetic disorders is a condition that is caused by an abnormality in an individual's DNA. Abnormalities can be as small as a single base mutation in one gene, or they can involve the addition or subtraction of entire chromosomes. There are tons of genetic disorders out there. The three categories of genetic disorders. Monogenic disorder. This disorder is caused by a mutation in a single gene. The mutation may be present on one or both chromosomes, one chromosome inherited from each parent. Examples of monogenic disorders are sickle cell disease, cystic fibrosis, polycystic kidney disease. These disorders are not common like other disorders such as diabetes. Multifactorial inheritance disorder. This disorder is caused by a combination of small inherited variations of genes, often adding together with environmental factors. Heart disease, diabetes, and most cancers are examples of such disorders. Chromosome disorder. This disorder is caused by an excess or deficiency of genes that are located on chromosomes or by structural changes within chromosomes. No chromosomal material is gained or lost, but a new abnormal gene is formed that leads to formation of cancer. The different types of genetic disorders. They include autism, breast cancer, colon cancer, Down syndrome, hemophilia, progeria, prostate cancer, skin cancer, sickle cell disease, and many others. These genes are caused by a combination of inherited mutations in multiple genes, often adding together with environmental factors. It's all about genomes. According to grh.gov, a genome is an organism's complete set of DNA, including all of its genes. Each genome contains all of the information needed to build and maintain that organism. In humans, a copy of entire genome, more than 3 billion DNA base pairs, is contained in cells that have a nucleus. Next are pictures of animal and human genetic disorders. According to blog.com, genes just don't change that quickly. An almost 70% increase in disease prevalence in one generation must be due to changes in non genetic factors. An increase in disease incidence due to changes in non genetic factors, whether they are environmental or cultural, has been seen for many years. 20 to 30% of all infant deaths are due to genetic disorders. 30 to 50% of post neonatal deaths are due to congenital malformations. 11.1% of pediatric hospital admissions are for children with genetic disorders, and 18.5% are children with congenital malformations. 12% of adult hospital admissions are for genetic causes. 15% of all cancers are inherited genetically. 10% of chronic diseases which occur in adult populations have significant genetic components.